So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Yes Bank share. So we know that previously when we have discussed about Yes Bank, so that time we have done the complete technical analysis and also we have discussed the various updates. So many people have requested to make a separate analysis video on Yes Bank. So we know that currently it is trading near the 14 rupees level. So many people are having queries regarding the AT1 bonds and also what would be the next immediate target. So we'll try to discuss each and everything regarding Yes Bank today. And today if we see market as well, it was highly volatile. So today very huge correction was seen not only in Nifty Bank as well as Nifty has also corrected, and many stocks, especially banking stocks, have corrected in a huge manner. So obviously this is an opportunity for us. So clearly we discussed that. So in Telegram also I'm updating all the stocks when any immediate update is coming, so that you can take the necessary action of buying and selling, and also the stocks which are good for positional. So those stocks also I am discussing. So if you have not joined the Telegram, do join it. And also I'm having a separate channel called Stocks Diary Education. So in that we'll discuss all the concepts related to stock market education, whether it may be related to options, intraday trading, swing trades. So all those will be discussed. So do join them as well. So now let's start our discussion on Yes Bank. Okay, so let us start our discussion with how much quantity has been traded today. So currently the time is around 2:23 and we can see almost more 1 hour is left for the market to get closed. So you can see till that time almost around 5 crore 51 lakh shares have been traded, and you can see deliveries wise we have seen around 2 crore shares have been taken into deliveries. And if you see percentage wise, we can see almost 48.97% deliveries have been taken. So that is pretty good, because whenever any sort of correction happens, especially what we have seen today, so many people take the opportunity and try to invest at the current levels. So especially stocks like Yes Bank, which had shown complete correction from the previous sessions. So that's why it is looking little attractive near the support regions. Okay, so if we compare day to day wise deliveries, so clearly you can see that the percentage deliveries are increasing on day to day basis. So when the AT1 bonds update has come, so that time we know stock has corrected almost 6%, 1% continuous fall was there, and previously also we know that it has corrected 1%, but today again we have seen 3% fall in Yes Bank. So again market is in full swings, that is it is going from highly volatile region. I can say that highly volatile. So that's why many fluctuations happen. So you need to be very cautious when you're doing any sort of trading. So that's why I tell avoid trading during market sessions when it is highly volatile, especially beginners. Okay, so coming to the AT1 bonds, so we know that recently also update has come that Yes Bank, whatever it was trying to sell those particular bonds to small investors. So clearly you can see the top management basically they're mis-selling these bonds to small investors and making them promise that you will get some very high returns. Said the various banking analysts also said this particular thing. So after that we know stock has also not given that much great movement. So what is the next immediate support and what is the next resistance? So we'll try to understand that. Okay, so we're back on to the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Yes Bank. So as usual, I tell that first you need to go to a little larger time frame before you start any analysis, and you can see the stock how it has corrected. So recently also we know that it has given almost 16 to 17% movement was seen, that is positive movement. So little huge volume has been generated at that particular level. So after that only continuous 3 weeks correction was seen in Yes Bank. So currently you can see it is near the 14.15 rupees region. So I am telling that 14 rupees is going to be very crucial support that you need to watch out today as well as in the coming sessions, because if it breaks that 14 rupees level, then directly it has next support near the 12.50 region. Okay, understanding right? So immediately it has 12.50 support region. So that is going to be very important for Yes Bank. If you want to add in bulk amounts, you need to watch for 12.50 as a very crucial support. So if you go little bit down and if you see money flow index, so that has also gone to oversold region, not completely oversold, so it is trying to approach that, and again small retracement is seen in money flow index also, so that is around 39 region. So make sure 14 rupees as the first support, after that 12.50. Okay, so that was our discussion in 1 week chart. So if you come little closer and if you observe the 1 day chart, so in that clearly you can observe the 14 rupees level. It is not able to go below that. Basically, that heavy volume that we expect, that is not being generated. So it is respecting the 14 rupees level that you need to watch out. So trade cautiously if you're doing any swing trade. So if you want to have a fresh entry, so wait for the closing today. So tomorrow also you can have an entry, not an issue. So if the 14 rupees level is being respected very well, so then try to enter there. Otherwise you can wait for the 12.5 region also. Okay. So these are going to be the two major supports that you need to watch out, and immediate resistances you can see we have. First one is around 15 rupees level, and after that we have the 15.56 where we have the 50-day exponential moving average. So that is going to be very important. So if you are not watching this moving averages, so try to employ them into your chart so that you will have a clarity that how the stock is moving. Okay, so once this 50 EMA is crossed with a good volume, and closing is very important as I told you, so after that only we can expect some better movement in this particular stock. Okay, so I explained all the trading ranges, so make sure you're watching that. And money flow index also you can see it is in 53 region, that is mid range, not in overbought region, because even the stock is in correction but money flow index is not going down, implies that some buying is seen at the current levels, that is near 14 to 14.5 region. So there only little buying is seeing. So make sure you're watching the 14 rupees support very importantly and very cautiously if you're doing any sort of trading. Okay, so all these are all the levels. So further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect me with in Instagram also. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. Okay, so until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.